This window is the PCB fine-tuning window. Through this window, the PCB pad is completely overlapped with the template hole. There are X direction adjustments, Y1, Y2 direction adjustments, and Z-axis adjustments on it. If this is checked, Y1 and Y2 will go up or down at the same time. Each click adjusts the moving distance. If you click, you move a distance of 0.01 millimeters. This shows how far you've moved in total in each direction. If you check that there are no problems, then click OK, and the machine will automatically apply soldering to the hole. At this moment, the machine automatically pops up the inspection window again. This window is mainly for you to check the effect of soldering applied to the PCB pad. Click on this small window to check the soldering application effect in various areas of the PCB. Because the PCB solder printing effect is applied with this blade, if there is an offset problem, it can be debugged through this window. If there is no problem with the PCB solder printing effect and you don't want to display this window again, we click this. To prevent it from popping up, check it and click Save. After clicking OK, the PCB automatically flows out. This has a running prompt word. This concludes the introduction to the programming of the machine, and we will introduce other functional parameter options for the machine in the next issue.